Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use our brand new social media tool, which is so amazing. I'm so excited about this tool. To get started, you're going to choose the plus sign up here. It also says create new and choose social media post. We are starting to create templates, which is awesome. It helps you to not have to think so hard on some really topics that are universal and everybody might want to use, and it's already going to be adapted for your business. So you can start really fast by doing one of these. But for this tutorial, I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to show you how to create your own template as you go. All right, so starting off here, I'm going to choose my context. Now, it's automatically going to be set to business profile. That's fine. But you can also choose a campaign, a service, or a product to be the context of your post. All right, so you want to choose which social media platforms you might want. So I'm going to choose Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook just for this tutorial, just to show you how they all work. And then you're going to choose the objective of this post. All right, so you can choose to educate the reader, do a promotion, storytelling, entertainment, things like that. You can choose any of these that you like. I'm going to choose promotion for this particular post to just show you what it looks like. All right, now we need to give Craftify AI our topic. And I'm going to just go ahead and say our topic is a cookie decorating class for Santa Claus, December 20th at 4 p.m. All right. We've got an event that we're going to promote. Now, from here, you can also add a link. So you can add a link to inspiration, or if it's a link to the event to sign up, you can add that here. And this will give Craftify AI the context to write your post. You can also choose topic research if you're not sure what you want to write about, or keywords to just get you started on a post that you may not be sure what you want to write about. All right, we're going to scroll down. We're going to see this a call to action. This is optional. You don't have to add this, but you can. If you click on this, it has every single type of call to action you can possibly imagine. And if there isn't the one that you want, then you can type it in yourself. I'm going to also briefly show you the advanced options. If you click that down here, these are optional options. They're already integrated. Since we've chosen business profile as our context, it's going to automatically use all of that context here. So our target audience and our keywords are just a part of our business profile. However, if I want to change that up, choose a different selection of audience or keywords, I can do that. So I'm going to choose to send this to Sophie's audience and leave these keywords the same. But if you want to change those, you can. All right, our tone of voice here is also the same as before, but we can add to that. So by clicking here, there's a bunch of different personality traits here, and ways of speaking. You can add any of those that you want to your posts. All right, and down here we have extra context or instructions. So you can tell Craftify AI what not to do. So say we don't want to talk about chocolate chips in this post, or we can also say, please translate this into Spanish and Persian. All of those are options that you can add here as different commands to help the AI in the back end. I'm gonna go ahead and click craft social media post. Here on the right-hand side, it's crafting my content, and you can see how the gears are turning and it's starting to do all of the parts of the post for us. And usually this just takes a few seconds for it to get all of that information already created. And so now it's working on our cover images. I can't wait to see what this comes up with for our cookie decorating class. Basically, it takes all of that information and creates the perfect post. All right, here we go. Now we can preview our post. On the right-hand side, we have all of the written language for this type of post. And on the left-hand side, oh, they look great. An organic workshop. Perfect. We have an image made just for us. All right, same thing for TikTok. We can click TikTok and we can see the preview of the same image and what it's going to look like on a TikTok post and then what to say here. All right, and then our Facebook post here as well. Looks great. So we get that preview visual. So if we want to change this visual at all, we can do so. We're going to click edit visual. And here we'll see immediately our other images that we've crafted. We could create a new image for this post and give the description of the prompt that you want the image to be about. You can write that in here. Or we can change many different options for this whole post. So say you want to, let's say add text to it, for example. So you can come down here to the left-hand side. There's all sorts of different things that you can add. You can add some text in here. You can change anything about this text. So Christmas cookie decoration class. All right, on the right-hand side, you can choose the font that works best for you. We have all of Google font in here, so it's really easy to work with. You can change how big you want those letters to be. You can come down here, there's your shadow colors, your stroke colors, your fill color. So right now we have it set to black, but I can choose white or hot pink or red. Um, you gradient, you can choose all sorts of different colors to work with. And many different ways that you can choose to change up any of the dynamic pieces of your visual. So that was just a way to show you a little bit. I'm going to cancel this. Um, all right, you can save this post as it is if you like it, and you can click here and see save to template. All right. So if you save as a template, it's going to automatically start to fill in a name. You can change that anytime in the description. You can add tags to this. So what type of post is this for? So it's easy to find later. And then including in the template, you can give Craftify AI access to some of the same information to use for later for a different type of posts, and you want to just click and unclick the ones that you want. All right. I'm not going to say, well, yeah, I'll go ahead and say this as a template. Why not? All right, I'll save this as a template. It's going to automatically show me the templates that I have. Okay, so we can see that here. It looks awesome. Event promotion post. So I can at any time use that as inspiration, start from zero again with a different post, but I don't have to do any of the settings. It's going to automatically create the post for me. But I can go ahead and go back to the post I was creating, and let's go ahead and publish this post. So clicking publish here, I'm under the Instagram. You can do the same for TikTok and Facebook. And here's how we can post this directly from Craftify all the way in. So if we've already done our integration, we've set our Facebook up with Craftify, so it will post automatically. I can choose publish directly and then choose my account that I want to post for. So this one being Craftify AI. And I can choose to either publish now or publish later. So you can also choose to publish via Zapier or to post manually. Not a problem. All right, I'm going to choose to publish later just to show you how it's like. There's some recommended options on when you can do it, but you can also just choose any day in the future. I'm going to choose tomorrow. And I'm going to choose 8 a.m. for it to post. Awesome. And then my time zone, it's set to New York here, but you can change your time zone to anywhere in the world so that timing is working out correctly for you. All right, now I'm going to choose to schedule Instagram post. It's processing here. And it's scheduled successfully. So I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to come over here to our calendar, and I'm going to scroll down and see, oh, there it is on my calendar. You can click that here. It's scheduled to go out at 8 a.m. tomorrow. At this point, you can cancel it or you can reschedule for a different time, or you can also send it immediately and let that all of that happen automatically for you. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Hope you have a wonderful holiday season and see you later at the next tutorial from Craftify AI.